Welcome back to Insurance Funda. Today we'll simplify Chapter 4 of the IC 38 syllabus, Features of Insurance Contracts. Understanding these key points clearly will boost your confidence for the IRDA exam. Let's get started. An insurance contract is a legal agreement between you, the insured, and the insurer. Here, you pay a premium, and in return, the insurer offers financial protection against specific risks. This agreement is bound by the Indian Contract Act, 1872. A valid insurance contract has 6 essential elements. 1. Offer and acceptance. 2. Consideration. 3. Consensus addendum, agreement. 4. Free consent. 5. Capacity of parties. 6. Legality. First, offer and acceptance. You, the proposer, make an offer by applying for insurance. When the insurer accepts this and communicates their acceptance, a valid contract forms. The policy document is proof of this contract. Next, consideration means mutual benefit. You pay a premium, and the insurer promises financial protection. Consensus addendum implies both parties clearly agree on the same terms and conditions of the policy. No misunderstandings. Free consent means no coercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation, or mistakes involved. Consent must be given freely and willingly, or the contract can be invalid. Both parties must have legal capacity, meaning adults with sound mind. The contract must also have a lawful object. You can't insure something illegal. Premium must be paid in advance according to Indian law. No credit allowed for premiums, except in special cases specified under Section 64 VB of the Insurance Act, 1938. Insurance must be properly understood before buying. It's not an off-the-shelf product. Solicitation involves professional guidance to help you select the right insurance policy. Grace period is extra time allowed after your premium due date, typically 30 days, to avoid policy lapse. However, claims during this unpaid period aren't covered. The free look period lets you review your policy terms. If you're dissatisfied, you can return it within 15 days, 30 days for online policies, for a refund minus charges. Quick recap. Key points. Valid insurance contract elements. Premium paid in advance. Importance of solicitation. Grace and free look periods. Let's quickly test your knowledge. Q1, which is not allowed in an insurance contract. Answer, coercion. Q2, free look period allows cancellation within. Answer, 15 days. Q3, premiums in India must be paid. Answer, in advance. Thanks for watching Insurance Funda. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. IC 38 chapters and exam tips. See you in the next video.